Welcome to in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So let's first open the screen recorder icon here on the notification panel. Here we can see the screen recorder. Now just to launch the settings, or just to start screen recording, just click here once, and here you'll see the settings of our device video. Here we can see the record audio section. Now we have our video just in mute mode, so if you want to use the microphone, for example, you should click here on the switcher to turn it on. And now if we'll use the microphone, we can comment something on our screen recording. We can switch it here also to the device audio, so we'll use sounds from our device like the music, calls and ringtones. And also we can use device system sounds and the microphone together. If you want to turn it off, you should click here on once again on the switcher, and that's it. After that, just to start screen recording, click here to start button. So that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.